Here's how to increase microphone volume in Windows 10. So in this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can increase your microphone volume level on your Windows PC. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to increase your microphone level, you simply need to press in this arrow right over here. Once you press on it, you'll see some mini icons of your internet and everything, but you just simply need to press on this speakers icon and just simply right click on it and you'll see some options just like open sound settings, open volume mixer and others, but you just got to go ahead and press on sounds, and inside sounds you'll see some options, but you simply need to go to recording, and here in recording it will show you all the microphones that you've plugged in the history or you're using. I've used many different types of headphones or microphones, but right over here this one is my current microphone, and just simply to be aware that the when you're using will have a green tick on it, so you just if you want to increase that, so just simply click on it twice just like mine, and you'll see microphone properties, and you simply need to go to levels, and my microphone level has been set to 8, so you can basically increase it to 100% just like that, and you have basically increased it. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can increase microphone level, and you can just press OK after that, and there you go. You've set it your level to 100, and that's increased. So yeah, I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.